Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to join a multiplayer game in Pass the Fear. Let's begin by opening the multiplayer window. From here you can search for lobbies. Currently I have 0 displayed, but if there were any, I could search for them by name. Simply type in the name or type in the code, depending on what you want to search by. You can change the server type between Steam, and local. You can also filter for difficulty. You can search for all, journey, common, hard, nightmare, hell, reality, and the blood moon approaches. You can hit refresh every 10 seconds to see if there are any new lobbies. Once you find the lobby, simply click on it to join. Once you are in the lobby, you'll need to quite possibly ready up with other players, and then you can start the game. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.